Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Android how to fix the power button. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If your Android's phone power button isn't working properly, what you can do first is check for physical damage. Inspect the button for dirt, debris or damage. Use a small burst of compressed air to clean around the button gently. The next is to restart with the power button. Without the power button, if the power button is stuck or broken, you can try plugging your phone into a charger, and some devices turn on automatically when charging. Use ADB commands if you're comfortable with developer tools to reboot your phone via PC. Then next is to enable alternative power button options, assistive touch or accessibility menu. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.